Hello again. I'd like to feature the H7550 halogen hand lamp bulb. This is a par 36 bulb, 8 watts, pulls about 1.3 amps from a 6-volt battery, incandescent in comparison to the halogen bulb. This is touted as a headlight for an off-road vehicle, and that's, as mechanically geeky as I am, I like that idea of carrying a little part of a car inside the house with you. Here's also a flood lamp. That one is a bulb that was out of a emergency light system, and it's H7551 as opposed. This is 12 watts. Okay, this is the comparison test. This is the traditional incandescent bulb that we discussed. Halogen, we're dealing with maybe 4 times and a whiter light, just for the fun, the flood, and the ever-ready skipper. But you see the skipper is more like this one.